Hello everybody, my name is Estefania Mejia. I'm a student of the AI University and today I'll talk with you about the Smore Reason. Smore Reason is an initiative, a project of some student of the AI University about the healthy because it's created with people head in mind and better life and take advantage of the benefits of the fruits and some vegetables. This smoothie have some benefits for you because this product is organic, is a mixture of fruits and vegetables, is healthy with your body, your organs, and is for a good nutrition. And it's easy to prepare and fast too. It's easy to for carry on and for go to any place like go to the gym, go to the park because the container is comfortable too. This product have many advantages for you, like is suited for people of any age, children, adults, and is cheap, is good for your pocket, and is healthy because this is made with organic products. It's a different alternative. It's a good product for you healthy. And this product reduces high levels of obesity and contains vitamins too because bring more types of nutrients on a diet. The competition is good for a market. Actually, it's more reason have competition with Cosechas. Cosechas is Colombian market company and they offer fruit smoothies. It's similar like smoothie reason, but a little different because the Cosechas smoothie is with fruits and the smoothie of reason is with fruits and vegetables. This product is for everybody, like children and adults, people who want a better life, um, because this product have benefit in the body and is very delicious. The combination of the fruits and vegetables is so good for the children. For example, don't like sometimes the vegetables, but with fruits is so delicious. And this product is for all members of your family, the son, the grandpa, the grandma, people who want to have a better and quality of life. Today is very important the advertising media because it's for promotion the product. This is our radio spot about this movie reason.
Fantastic radio. Hello there. We have the good news for today. Yes, it's the reason to continue use is great. For people that like to eat healthy food. Is it for you? That's right. 15 USD for you can find that you wish. On this round, they could have 30 40 uplifted some discount. Yes, 50%. Wow, for every food allergies at least 50%. Finalize on smoothiesreasons.com. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Welcome to American Radio. Gather the children. Invite the neighbors over. Bring in the dog. Turn off the
People today use the social media, the media networks, so many today, and our company want to show about the product Smoothie Reason. Please follow in Facebook like Smoothie Reason, the way the healthy way, and in the internet page is smoothiereason.com. The most important for us, for our company, is you. So we have some promotion with you, for you. 20, 30, 40, and 50%. And some days we have 2 for 1. Take advantage of this opportunity. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you like it. It's more reason. Have a nice day.